with all this bamboo.
Yeah.
It's a disaster.
But if you hose your unit off and just spray it, I don't care if it's running, it doesn't matter. If you hose your unit off when you're watering your plants, watering your garden, doing your garden, 2-3 times a year, I'll never have to chemically treat it. It's people who don't do it and that stuff just gets caked in there, then it has to get done.
I'll
So,
tell you, it got cold.
and I got customers doing
It
the,
did.
oh my God, I'm afraid it's getting wet. And I look at them like,
It
really?
rains.
Does it get rained on? Do you really think you're going to hurt this thing by spraying water on it, people?
So Mark, when you say
Common
spray,
sense left a lot of people.
how
With a
just a
spray.
mild spray, like just with a hose with the normal pressure?
Just
Yeah.
regular garden,
Okay.
just with the regular
Okay.
spray nozzle.
Gotcha.
Especially-
Stuff coming off. It's just that I didn't know if it could go up under or.
No, but
Right.
especially if you have landscapers or you're cutting the grass and it's kind of thick around there, you're throwing it up in it.
Yeah.
Landscapers like to do that, they like to throw dirt all in it and then